Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT, getting into technology, and in this video I want to take you in and show you how to search images on Google. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm on my Mac computer, and I have Google Chrome as the browser that I'm going to use for today. You can use Safari, you can use Firefox. This will apply to a PC as well. Internet Explorer, Firefox works on PC as well. So what we want to do is we want to search images. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you can either go to the URL box up at the top where the flashing cursor is just to the right side of the G, and you can type in there, or you can come down to this section just below the Google with the guy holding the guitar, and you can type in there. Or you can also use this little microphone over here and you can search by your voice. So let's just go in here and we're going to type in cars, Jaguar cars. So let's click that. You can see that we're on a web page, but there's really no images to look at of a Jaguar cars unless you come down here and it talks about stories and it shows you a couple little pictures. What we want to do is we want to scroll back to the top, and you'll notice there's a bunch of categories. There's images, there's news, there's maps, there's videos, and more. We want to click on images. So click on images. And here up comes all the images of Jaguar cars. Now, if you want to be more specific to what car you want to see, you could go up to the search 2001 Jaguar XJR Super Charged V8 cars, and you're going to click enter, and it should bring up every car for that year and that model. And it absolutely does, because I have one of these. So being more specific on what you're looking for, you're going to find it a lot faster. And then you can come in here, and because you're looking at images, you get to see all the different images of that particular car that you're searching, or whatever you're searching. You could be searching, we'll just go into here and we'll do another search. Go 2014 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited CVO is what I want. 2014 Harley Davidson FLHT KSE Ultra CVO Limited is what I want. And then we're going to go click images. And up here comes pictures of Harley Davidsons to my specification. And then you can scroll down to the one that you really like. And that's the motorcycle that I have. So you can do this with anything you want. You can do it for if you're going to build a kitchen, you're going to build a house, you're looking for different ideas to do stuff. You just come in here and you can virtually put whatever you want in here. So let's put flowers. Comes all different kinds of flowers. You can put birds, and then you can all different types of birds. You go cardinal, and then the one with the higher resolution, 1920 times 1080, is going to give you a better picture altogether because it's got more pixels in it than something that you know, here's this 628 by 416. That one's 480, 450, 2400. Well, that's really good quality right there of the female cardinal. And these red ones are the male cardinals. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is how you just come in and you can search anything you want. You can come up here and you can click the microphone and you can search. Okay, once my allow. "2019 Dodge Ram." Okay, so that went by my voice and it just came up, and so there we go. We got the truck. So you can use voice. Let's just go here for a minute. And there's voice here. Search by voice. You can type in here. And as I said before at the beginning, you can type in here as well. You can go Western Canada because I'm in Canada. Just shows. Just do this. Rocky Mountains. So then you come in here and you can look at different pictures. Absolutely stunning pictures. I've been there. It's absolutely gorgeous at West. So there you go. So let's just come back and make this really simple for you. And open a new tab. You can search the top, right beside the G where the flashing cursor is. You can come down here and you can search Google or type URL. URL is web address. Or you can click on here and you'll just have to allow Google to access your microphone and you're good to go. So that is how easy it is to come in here and search different images to your specifications of what you're currently looking for. I hope this video was helpful to you, and continue to look for the next one, and please comment and share and how you like this video. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology by subscribing to this channel. It's down on the right side of this video, just below. And you also want to click on the bell notification, and any new videos that are coming out, you'll be notified and you will able to continue on with your learning. And we have new videos coming out all the time. So stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology.